Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram feed using Squarespace website. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me in this tutorial I'm using Brave browser. Of course you can use other browsers that will be actually working for you. So then you want all you need to do, just go straight into squarespace.com website. So here you'll find actually the main or the home screen of the Squarespace website, and you will actually want to get started to create your account if it's your first time visiting the website, and or if you don't already have an account, all you need to do, just go create your template if you want, or if you do have that, just go and click here at your icon, which is will actually takes you into your dashboard, and here you will find your actual website or the template that you actually added. So here I'm just going to click at go to website. I'm just going here to the test website to show you how to actually add an Instagram feed to your website using Squarespace. So here, after going to the website, I'm just going to click at edit here. Of course, I'm just going to scroll down until I find a section like empty. So this section is half empty. So of course, if you don't have empty sections, you would like to just to click at add section here and then click at add a blank section. So let me close this. Then you'll find this like totally, let me just delete that. So as you can see, you will find your section like that, totally blank, and you will be actually to click at add a block. So here you would like to go and search for Instagram. So as you can see, here is it, we find it. So just go and click on that. Then you will find this blog, just double click on that, and as you can see, you will have actually the option to connect your account. So as you can see, display your own Instagram feed on your site and choose between the different layout styles and the design tab. So here, just go and click at choose an account, add an account, and as you can see, connecting account, and the pop-up window that will appear, authorize Squarespace to connect to your site. So a pop-up will appear here. So all you need to do, just connect to your Instagram and it will actually appear here. So for me, I'm actually just recording the window of, let me just try to show you the pop-out. Wait a bit. So here is it. That's actually the pop-outs. As you can see, that is actually our pop-outs, but we don't actually want that. So let me just go back to my this website. So here, sorry, I fixed that now. So here you would like to, of course, after adding or connecting your account, you'd like to go here to the design and design this as you want, of course, and then you would like to go and save your changes by clicking at done, and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.